All right, we have a class favorite here. Daddy Snores, also known as My Daddy Snores. Okay, we're going to get this one started. You guys ready? Put your listening ears on. Your quiet voices, okay?
Illustrated by Stephen Gilbert.
Get ready with your dinosaur roars.
On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar.
Roar!
Rattled. The walls
Whoa, it's scary!
Mommy played musical beds.
Oh, you listen for the baby.
But I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib,
Wah!
but it broke.
Wah, wah. Baby Winnie B.
On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake.
Whoa!
It shook Mommy like an
Earthquake!
She slept in the bathtub,
In the bathtub.
but the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip.
Oh, here comes the train. Choo choo! Everyone do your train noises. Choo choo!
Snore chugged like a freight train. So
Look at Daddy snoring in there. Ew.
Mommy slept in Hammy's cage.
Stinky.
She was too squished, and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So, Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink.
Oh.
Said very loudly,
Oh.
on Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore
Meow, meow.
truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was
Oh, there's that baby crying
after
again.
all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like
A zombie mommy!
haired
Zombie mommy!
No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring.
Because doctors always know what's best.
On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept,
Until... Uh-oh.
Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept. Until... Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks.
I'd love more ice cream. All right, that's the end. I have a couple questions I'd like to ask you guys about this story. I think you guys will have the answers. I know you guys are super smart, and I hope you guys like the story. Let's hear. Let's see our questions. You guys ready? Listening ears, quiet voices. All right. When Daddy snored like a train, where did Mom have to sleep? It was kind of smelly. He had to sleep in Hammy's cage. All right. Question number 2. When Mommy slept in the doghouse, who didn't get any sleep? Mommy didn't get any sleep, but who else? I'll give you a hint. He sounds like this. Arr! You guys got it. Rover, the doggy. He didn't sleep at all. All right. When Daddy had to sleep in the tent, what did he wake up? He woke up something. He woke up all the birds. All the birds woke up, and they woke up everybody else with their loud tweeting. All right, final question. Last one, you guys. Ready? What does Daddy want more of at the end? He stops snoring, and he starts talking. That's right. He'd love more ice cream. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this story. Bye.